Welcome to NR Pathshala. Today we'll be discussing the poem Hannu Kayi Maduve, Class 4 Tili Kannada. This poem is written by Y.S. Krishna Murthy. So in this poem there is a wedding scene where the Hagalakayi, that is the bitter god, is getting married to Mango. And the whole scene is about the wedding. The wedding between them, the homas, the music that is played in the wedding, and then followed by the lunch, and then saying thank you to the guest. So this poem is mainly for the students, that is the children, to learn about the names of the vegetables in a fun manner. So the poem goes like this. ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿಗೂ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣಿಗೂ ಮದುವೆ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ಛತ್ರದ ತುಂಬ ತರಕಾರಿ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಗುಂಪೆ ತುಂಬಿತ್ತು. So Hagalakayi, that is a bitter god, is marrying the mango. So Maduve nadidittu. So Maduve is wedding, and the wedding is between the bitter god and the mango. ಛತ್ರದ ತುಂಬ ತರಕಾರಿ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಗುಂಪೆ ತುಂಬಿತ್ತು. So Chatra is a wedding hall where all the guests are coming. And who are the guests over here? The guests are all the vegetables and the fruits. So a group of all the vegetables and the fruits filled the Chatra, that is a wedding hall. So Gumpe tumbittu. So the hall was filled with all the vegetables and the fruits who were the guests for this wedding. ಬಾಳೆಗೊನೆ ಬಾಗಿ ನಮಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಅಂತಿತ್ತು. ಡೊಳ್ಳು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ ಡೋಳು ಬಾರಿಸಿತ್ತು. So ಬಾಳೆಗೊನೆ means a cluster of bananas. Is welcoming everybody. How it is welcoming? Bagi namisi. So it is bending down and it is namisi. Namisi means saying namaskar to all the guests that they are entering, and it is welcoming them. Swagata antittu. It was welcoming all the guests who were coming to the wedding. And ಡೊಳ್ಳು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ ಡೋಲು ಬಾರಿಸಿತ್ತು. So ಡೊಳ್ಳು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ. Kumbhalakayi means what? Kumbhalakayi is a pumpkin. Okay, so pumpkin is big, no? So ಡೊಳ್ಳು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ, big stomach, pumpkin was playing the dolu. Dolu is a small drum here. So it was playing the dolu. So music was there in the wedding hall, and dolu was played by the pumpkin. ಸೋರೆಕಾಯಿ ಸೊಗಸಾಗಿ ವಾಲಗ ಊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಹೋಲುಗಳೆರಡು ತಾಳ ಹಾಕ್ತಿತ್ತು. So here the poet is talking about the music arrangement in the wedding hall. So Sorekayi is the bottle god. Bottle god is long, no? So the bottle god is playing the walaga. Walaga is a wind instrument. So walaga ಊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. It was playing the Walaga over here, and it was playing beautifully. So sogasagi walaga ಊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. Then comes the coconut. So ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಹೋಲುಗಳೆರಡು. ಹೋಲುಗಳೆರಡು means the coconut is cut into 2 pieces. ತಾಳ ಹಾಕ್ತಿತ್ತು. So it was putting ತಾಳ for the music. ಪಿಲ್ಲೆ ಜುಟ್ಟಿನ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಕೆಂಪು ಮೂತಿ ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಹೋಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಗಂಡು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಹೊಗೆ ತಾಳದೆ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಕ್ಕು ನಲ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಪಿಳ್ಳೆ ಜುಟ್ಟಿನ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಿತ್ತು. So pille juttu means here there is a juttu in the head over here. So mostly Brahmins will be having the juttu like this. So pille juttu. Badanekayi is the brinjal. And what was the brinjal doing? Mantra heltittu. So in the wedding hall, when the wedding is going on, brinjal was telling the mantras and conducting the wedding over there. And kempu muti menasinakayi. Kempu means red color. Muti is face. So the face is red color over here. Menasinakayi means chilli. Chilli was doing homa, it seems, over there. ಹೋಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. So what is homa? Homa is a fire that they put during the wedding. So this is a fire, and this is called as homa in the wedding, and you can see the brinjal telling the mantras over here. So kempu mooti menasinakai homa martittu. So mensinkai was doing the homa there for the wedding. Gandu hennu hoge taalade kannir haktittu. So when the homa is going on, smoke will come, no? For that smoke, gandu hennu. Who is a gandu and hennu here? Bride and the bridegroom. So that will be the Hagalakai and Mavina Hannu. That is the bitter gourd and the mango. They couldn't tolerate that smoke and their eyes were watering. So Taalade, because they couldn't tolerate. Kannir haktittu. The eyes were watering. Hirekai, adannu nodi nakku nalitittu. So Hirekai. Hirekai is a ridged god. Ridged god was seeing that the bride and the bridegroom's eyes were watering for that homa, and seeing that ridged god was having fun. So it was laughing over there, seeing them. So Hirekai adannu nodi. Yavudannu nodi? Gandu hennu's eyes are watering, seeing that nakku nalitittu. So it was laughing. ಬಾಳೆಕಾಯಿ ಬಾಗಿ ಬಾಗಿ ಎಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಹುರುಳಿಕಾಯಿ ಊಟಕ್ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆಲೂಗೆಡ್ಡೆ ಎಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಊಟ ಬಡಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. Now wedding is over, no? Now next what will happen after the wedding? They'll go for food, wedding lunch. So ಬಾಳೆಕಾಯಿ is the raw banana. Bagi bagi ಎಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿತ್ತು. So what the banana, raw banana was bending and putting the plantain leaf for the lunch. So bagi bending and bending, ಎಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿತ್ತು. It was putting the ಎಲೆ, that is a plantain leaf. ಹುರುಳಿಕಾಯಿ means beans. ಊಟ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. So ಹುರುಳಿಕಾಯಿ was calling everybody, come, have lunch is ready, come. So ಊಟ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಗ್ತಿತ್ತು means it was shouting and telling everybody, come for the lunch. ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ, that is the cucumber, ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತಿತ್ತು. So for the tota, that is for the garden, it was pouring water. It was giving water for all the plants in the garden. ಆಲೂಗೆಡ್ಡೆ ಎಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಊಟ ಬಡಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. So ಆಲೂಗೆಡ್ಡೆ means potato. So potato was serving the lunch. ಪಡುವಲಕಾಯಿ ಬಳುಕಿ ವಿಲ್ಯೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ತೊಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ ತಾಂಬೂಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಟಾಟಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಂತೂ ಇಂತೂ ಸಿಹಿಗೂ ಕಹಿಗೂ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ ಜೋಡಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಪಡುವಲಕಾಯಿ means a snake god. ಬಳುಕಿ ವಿಲ್ಯೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. So in this paragraph, now wedding is over, lunch is over, now all are going back home. So when they go back home, what they do, they give a return gift for everybody and say bye to all the guests. So that's what is happening here. So snake god, that is Paduvalakai, baluki means it was shaking and giving vilye kodutittu. Vilye means they gave the beetle leaf with arecanut to all the guests that Paduvalakai was giving. Tondekai is the ivy god. ತಾಂಬೂಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಟಾಟಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿತ್ತು. Tambula is like a return gift in the weddings. So tambula means one bag will be there, in that coconut, turmeric, kumkum, flower, all this will be kept, and that they give for the guest. Tondekai gives the tambula to all the guests and says tata to everybody. So tambula kottu tata ಹೇಳ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಂತೂ ಇಂತೂ ಸಿಹಿಗೂ ಕಹಿಗೂ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. So ಅಂತೂ ಇಂತೂ, like that, like this, ಸಿಹಿಗೂ ಕಹಿಗೂ, sweet and bitter, got married. ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ ಜೋಡಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. So ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು, mango and the bitter gourd became one pair, became a couple. ಜೋಡಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.